National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Huron County, northern Richland County, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles west of Shelby and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Fitchville, Shelby, Willard, Ontario, Plymouth, New London. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Huron, and Richland.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, KHB 59.